let's start with the makeup for the festivals, as August is going to be end and festivals are already begin. So let's start. Here I use the serum from Byee Body Wise. I only use 2 pumps, and don't forget your neck area. Do apply serum over that too. So mix the serum. So now move to lip balm. It's from Blue Heaven Jelly and Butter. The lip balm is so good. It moisturizes my lips very well. Now it's moisturizer. It's from Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It's so good. Best for the dry and combination skin. For oily one, this moisturizer is not that good. You can switch to Lakme or Cetaphil Simple, anyone. So now sunscreen, it's from Dermaco. It's the best sunscreen. I only take 2 fingers sunscreen, and don't forget your neck area. Apply the sunscreen around that also, and we are done with the skincare. As you can see. So now quickly move to the makeup. So let's start with the primer. It's from Blue Heaven. It gives such a smooth texture, minimize my pores, blur it. As you can already see this, I use it around my nose, chin and forehead. You can look how smooth texture. Now then I use this Lakme Lumi cream for highlighter. It's give that inner glow type of look. You can already see the glow. Now it's concealer from Swiss Beauty. It's quite affordable, and according to the price point, it gives such a good coverage. So you can use around your dark circle and where the pigmentation, and it's cover it so well. You can already see it. So now move to foundation. My shade is 326 and it's from Maybelline Fit Me, and it gives such a good coverage and such a glowy base. Let's start blending it. So I fast forward it, as you can already see. So, and do cover your neck area, otherwise it looks so different, your face and your neck, and it will not look good. So let's blend it. Now you can see the face and the neck area looks quite not very similar. Now move to compact. It's from Maybelline. I use around my eyes area and chin. So now move to eyeshadow. So I use 2 palettes. One is from Swiss Beauty and one is from Amazon. I moved to Amazon. I switched to. So for the base, I use this light pink color for the nude light shade. Now for the outer corners, I use this maroon color for like it will match with my dress too. So for the similarity, as you can see, and it's quite bit dark, so I blend it with the beauty blender, and now I smudge it. And for lighting it, I use the brown shade over them to smudge it very well. Now for the smoky eyeliner, I use this brush with the black color eyeshadow. I draw the eyeliner and then I will smudge it with my fingers. So, Now I'm done with the eyeliner. Now I am smudging it as it will mix with the eyeshadow and give such a subtle eye look, clean. You can see, and over that, once again, I will draw the eyeliner for the clean look. So the eye look is done. Now move to mascara. Firstly, I will curl my eyelashes with this eyelash color, as it will give the volume to my eyelashes and look the curve it gives. And from another side also I will do the same, and you can already see the curve, that wave. Now I will curl it again for more volumizing look. And now we can move to mascara. Here I use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So let's apply the mascara over my lashes. So now I move to the second eyes, and I will also apply some mascara from the lower lashes, and it will enhance the eye look, as you will see later. So here the mascara and all done. Now we can move to the lip and cheek tint. Firstly, I will use the liquid one. So let's apply the cute heart shape. I'm using the blush. It's from Earth Rhythm. So I will blend it with my fingers. As you can already see the pigment. I will move from cheeks to the cheekbones, up from down to uppers. So over that, I will use this powder blush. It's from Swiss Beauty. There's contour, blush, and highlighter. So it's quite affordable. Look, the light pink color over that. And at the end, if you think it's too much, it will settle down. So let's apply the blush. So now I'm using this highlighter over my nose, bridge of the nose, and then on my cheekbones, and you can see how shiny, glowy base. It's looking so good. Later I will move to the mascara. I will use this mascara on my eyebrows, and you can look how clearly the difference is between one side of the eyebrow and another. So it's give that quite clean eyebrow look. Now I'm done with the makeup. Now move to the lip liner. It's from ADS. I couldn't find the picture. I will link all the products in my description box. So let's lip line my lips. It's the deep maroon shade. So let's overline it. So I'm done with the lip liner. Let's move to lipstick. It's from Stays 929. I couldn't remember the shade, but I will link it in the description box. And it looks so good. The subtle pink, mauve pink tone. So it's done. Here's the final look. So let's quickly change the outfit. So here's the final look, and all the accessories video I already post in my shorts, you can see. So okay, bye bye, love you, and stay tuned for more such videos.